World-famous football player, Cristiano Ronaldo. Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Aveiro was born in Portugal on February 5, 1985. He is a professional footballer. He now serves as captain of the Portugal national team and plays forward for Al Nassr of the Saudi Professional League. Ronaldo, who is widely acknowledged to be one of the best players of all time, has won 5 Ballon d'Or medals and 4 European Golden Shoes, which is the most ever won by a European player in each category. He has won 32 trophies in his career, including 7 league crowns, 5 UEFA Champions Leagues, 1 UEFA European Championship, and 1 UEFA Nations League. Ronaldo now holds the Champions League marks for most appearances, 183, goals, 140, and assists, 42. In addition, he holds the marks for the most goals scored at the European Championship, 14, and the most goals scored internationally, 118, as well as the joint most international appearances, 183. He is also one of the few players to have made over 1,100 consecutive career professional appearances. He is the only player in the history of the FIFA World Cup to have scored in all 5 of the tournaments. Ronaldo began his professional career at Sporting CP, but in 2003 he joined Manchester United and won the FA Cup in his first season with the club. Ronaldo started his professional career in Portugal. Moreover, he went on to win 3 consecutive Premier League championships, the Champions League, and the FIFA Club World Cup. He won the Ballon d'Or for the first time at the young age of 23. At the time of Ronaldo's €94 million, £80 million, transfer to Real Madrid in 2009, it was the most expensive transfer in the history of association football. Together with Karim Benzema and Gareth Bale, he built an offensive triumvirate that was crucial to the team's success in winning 4 Champions League titles between 2014 and 2018, including La Decima. During this time span, he was the recipient of back-to-back Ballon d'Or honors in 2013, 2014, 2016, and 2017, and also finished as the runner-up 3 times behind Lionel Messi, who was considered to be his biggest professional opponent. In addition, he became the club's all-time leading scorer and the champion. Between 2012 and 2018, he finished as the competition's leading scorer for 6 consecutive seasons. Ronaldo earned 2 La Liga championships, 2 Copa del Rey championships, 4 Champions League titles, 3 UEFA Super Cup titles, and 3 Club World Cup titles while playing for Real Madrid. When he joined Juventus in 2018 for an initial cost of €100 million, £88 million, it was the most expensive signing by an Italian club and the most expensive transfer by a player older than 30. Before returning to Manchester United in 2021, he was the first footballer to finish as the league's leading scorer in England, Spain, and Italy. He was also the first footballer to win 2 Serie A crowns, 2 Supercoppa Italiana trophies, and a Coppa Italia. He was also the first recipient of the Serie A Most Valuable Player title. In 2003, when he was 18 years old, Ronaldo made his debut for Portugal in international competition. Since then, he has amassed more than 190 international caps for Portugal, making him the player with the most international appearances for Portugal. He has scored moreover 100 goals for his country at the international level, making him the all-time leading goal scorer for the country. He was appointed captain of the national squad in July of 2008. The Portuguese Football Federation honored Ronaldo by awarding him the title of all-time greatest Portuguese player in 2015. The following year, he led Portugal to their first major tournament victory at Euro 2016 and was given the silver boot for scoring the 2nd most goals. In addition, he led them to a 3rd-place finish at the 2017 FIFA Confederations Cup, a victory in the inaugural UEFA Nations League in 2019, where he was named the tournament's top scorer, and a golden boot as the tournament's top scorer at Euro 2020. Forbes recognized Ronaldo as the highest-paid athlete in the world in 2016 and 2017, while ESPN ranked him as the most renowned athlete from 2016 to 2019. Ronaldo is one of the most marketable athletes in the world and is renowned worldwide. In 2014, Time magazine included him on their list of the 100 most influential people in the world.